Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are gonna cook healthy meal. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, I say welcome, and to my already subscribers I want to say thank you. And so before we start this video, go ahead and click the red subscribe button and turn on your notification so you get to see when I post and see how I'm gonna cook this meal. Okay, so guys, here I have my vegetable broth. It's fat free. I have my shrimp. This is already cleaned. I have my quinoa. This is red quinoa, organic. So guys, if you don't know what quinoa is, this is a good substitute for rice instead. And it's rich in protein, plant protein, and then dietary fiber, and it also helps to lose weight. If you're trying to lose that weight, it's really good. I recommend you try to incorporate that as part of your diet as well. And then I have my asparagus. This is already cut and cleaned. I have my onions, green onions, and mixed with other onions as well that I'm gonna cut on my chopping board, which you guys gonna see. And then so this is all what you'll be needing to cook this meal. And yeah, let's go ahead and start the cooking process. And thank me later. golden brown for me. So I'm gonna set this aside and cook the other stuff. So guys, I'm gonna let this steam for about 2 minutes, my asparagus, and I'll take it out. And I'm adding salt. So guys, this is my red quinoa that I'm measuring in a cup, and after that I'm just gonna wash it before I start cooking it, as you're gonna see. And here guys, I'm adding my blended onions and pepper all together, and after that shortly I'm gonna add my tomato paste, which you're gonna see, and that's gonna give it the red color, in case you've been wondering why they changed to red. So I didn't show this initially in the video, but I decided to throw in some potatoes in my meal, and you know, you gotta throw in a few stuff here and there to make your food come out nice, delightful, and all yummy. So guys, just keep watching. So guys, this is it. This dish has some for me to eat, and if you watch up to this part, don't forget to subscribe.